This week I am testing the Hyundai Kona Hybrid. This is a lovely little 5-seater car. Let's find out how good it is as a baby drive. And don't forget to like and subscribe and follow us on our socials.
The boot section of this review is brought to you by Taller.
The boot door of the Kona opens really easily and closes that way too with just the press of a button. Let's find out how the taller prams fit in the boot.
When the boot is empty, it will hold 11 shopping bags. Or the taller sleek, future-proof multi-configuration pram with a single seat will fit in the boot of the Hyundai Kona Hybrid with 2 shopping bags. Or the taller Urban Glide 2 ultimate all-terrain stroller with the back wheels on fits easily in the boot with 2 shopping bags. Or the taller Spring, lightweight and one-handed folding stroller fits in the boot of the Hyundai Kona Hybrid with 6 shopping bags. Or you can fit 1 90-litre and 2 40-litre taller Chasm duffel bags. Or a small-sized dog.
Storage in the front is good. There are 2 cup holders in the central console that revolve out when you press a button, and you can retract them away as well. Behind them, the central console box has a little tray in the top, and there's also space underneath for storage too. In front of the cup holders, there's a wireless phone charging pad. The glove box is a good size in here. That will hold an iPad and wallet with the manual, and above it there's a really good shelf for front passengers to put their phone. The door bins in the front are a really good size. They'll hold a refillable water bottle, and an iPad fits in them too. And there's the storage handle wells in the doors as well. The media system in the Hyundai Kona is really lovely and easy to use. Now you've got this easy, lovely big screen that you can swipe across. Now within the settings, you can change a lot of things in here and customize them exactly how you like them. Especially for me, it's in the sound with my kids. Now you've got Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, which is fantastic. So you can access your phone and all your apps and things while you're driving. You've also got the weather forecast in there as well, which I absolutely love. You've also got the hybrid screen as well, so you can watch the electric motor and the battery exchange when you're driving. And you've also got the built-in sat-nav as well, which is fantastic. When you put it into reverse with the paddle behind the wheel, you can turn those parking sensors off easily with a button down in the central console. Lovely big clear images that fill the screen, and you can also change it to this external 360 camera as well, which is great. There are aircon vents in the back of the central console box, which are fantastic for keeping little passengers in the back at the right temperature while you're driving along. Storage in the back of the Kona is good. There's a fold down in the central seat back with 2 cup holders. They'll hold a reusable or a disposable coffee cup, and a child's drink cup fits in there too. There are net mat pockets in the back of both front seats that will hold but not conceal an iPad. And in the back of the central console, there is phone storage and USB-C chargers. The door bins in the back are a good size. They all hold a disposable drink bottle, and there's storage handle wells too. In the back of the Hyundai Kona Hybrid, there are Isofix in the 2 outer rear seats. They're not within plastic guides, but they're really nice and easy to connect to, and very visible because they match this fantastic colour car. There are top tether anchorages on the back of all 3 rear seats, and they're nice and easily accessible through the boot. Now I have got 2 InfoSecure child seats installed in the back here. Now with a rear-facing InfoSecure Adapt More capsule in the back, we can fit about a 175cm driver, or with these forward-facing child seats, we can fit happily a 186cm driver in front of them. The Hyundai Kona Hybrid is a really nice, fun little car to drive. Now, the EV you can feel it when you're reversing or when you're driving at really low speeds, especially when you first take off. So it's got that really nice acceleration before the engine kicks in. Now, the engine can feel a bit revvy, I've found, especially when going up hills. Visibility is really good in here. With the 2 child seats in the back, I can see it really nicely out of the back. And there's also the camera you can put on while you're driving, just pressing the button down in the central console too. Now the turning circle in this is really nice and tight. It's really easy in multi-storey car parks, school car parks and places like that that are really busy and tight. So to sum up with the Hyundai Kona Hybrid, it does make a fantastic little car. You can fit those 2 InfoSecure child seats really nicely in the back, and the boot space is ample for a taller pram. The drive is good, having that lovely EV acceleration feel, and the media system and cameras are fantastic.